So I went to coming out there. I went to come out here and check on the plants, and it has been raining all day, and it's summer, which really sucked. So and there's an apple right there. You can't see it. There's an apple there. It's rotten. And since of my last post yesterday, the storm has hit Perth, so now we cannot go outside or anywhere because of the rain. It's like the clouds are peeing a lot. They're constipated. So well, I guess we'll have to stay in here for the night and day, and probably tomorrow, which really sucks because I really wanted to go outside and play, but I couldn't because it's raining. So that's my update.